Now we are studying the phase constant. We know that propagation constant gamma is equal to alpha plus j into beta, but gamma value is equal to under root z into y is equal to alpha plus j into beta when the transmission line is lossless. When the transmission line is then what we can write is this r plus jx. So r is neglected, j into xl into y is equal to j into omega c is equal to alpha will be 0 in case of lossless line, there will be no attenuation, and j into beta. So we can see from here that is j will be common outside, and this will be xl into omega c, means omega l into this omega c, means omega xl is equal to this j omega c into omega c is equal to j into beta. So j cancel out, and this will become omega square under root lc is equal to beta. So this is equation number 1, and we also know that v value is equal to 1 upon under root l into c. So now we are going to apply this v is equal to, we know that v is equal to, we know that f into lambda. See, this omega will only come outside, so v is equal to f into lambda. So v is equal to f into lambda. So v value is nothing but 1 upon under root lc is equal to 1 upon under root lc f lambda, and we know that under root of lc value we can write from here, that will be beta upon omega. So putting the value of beta upon omega, so omega will be upward and this will be nominator, and this will be beta, and this will be f into lambda. So now from here 2 pi f upon beta is equal to f into lambda. So f cancel out, so this will beta will become 2 pi by lambda. Beta will become 2 pi by lambda. So this will be, beta will be in radian per kilometer.